Hello everyone, welcome to TutorialsPoint. In this video, we are going to talk about the significances of the process of meiosis I. Meiosis I involves the disjunction process, and because of this, it reduces the chromosome number. So we have seen in anaphase 1 what happened. The homologous chromosomes which had initially paired, they got disjunction. So disjunction happened and they got separated. So the reduction in chromosomal number happened. The chromosomal and the genomic mutations may also occur due to non-disjunction. At times, some of the cells, it may happen that the disjunction process did not occur properly. So what will happen? The number of chromosomes will get differentiated, or different number of chromosomes will reach the daughter cells. So this is a problem. So it may result in mutation. Variations are produced due to the recombination of the genes, as we have already discussed, that in case of Pachytene stage, the crossing over phase results into the formation of genetic recombination, and due to this, the genes recombine with each other and new type of variation characters are formed. So this results in variations in similar type of characteristics. There is a random distribution of the paternal and the maternal chromosomes into the daughter cells. The mutation takes place due to the disturbances in disjunction. So we have already discussed this point, that if during the anaphase the proper separation is not happening, so if disjunction is not occurring properly, then it will result in mutations. Now some of the mutations may be beneficial, whereas some of the mutations may be harmful for the cells also. Meiosis I induces the cell to form spores and also the gametes. So in this video we have talked about some of the important significances of the process of meiosis I.